Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 13T and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then in this section we have to scroll down to find privacy protection. Now let's scroll down and tap on special permissions, and here we have to find the option which is called install unknown apps. And right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. And of course we can change it. Just find the app and tap on the switcher. And as you can see, we've got this information, this warning that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Mark this statement that you're aware of the possible risks and tap on OK. As you can see, the switcher is active. And after going back, we can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install some content. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And the same situation if you want to remove all previously granted permissions. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.